In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize OBS Studio to the system tray on Windows. If you're someone who enjoys keeping your desktop organized and your taskbar clutter-free, this neat little trick will be right up your alley. It's not only about aesthetics, but also about efficiency when working with multiple applications. First, let's open OBS Studio on your computer. If you're already a frequent user, the interface will be familiar to you with its neatly arranged controls and options. Once you have OBS up and running, take a look at the lower right corner of the screen where the controls menu resides. Here you'll find a variety of options that allow you to customize your recording and streaming experience. What we're interested in for this tutorial is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that. As the settings window pops up, draw your attention to the various tabs on the left side. These are grouped into categories for ease of navigation. For our purpose, click on the General tab. This is where we can adjust some of the overall behaviors of OBS Studio, including where it goes when minimized. Now scroll down a little until you spot the System Tray section. This is our area of focus for this setting adjustment. The first step within this section is to check the box labeled Enable. This action will ensure that the OBS icon appears in your System Tray area. Think of the system tray as the small space near your taskbar clock. It's often where you find icons for background apps like antivirus software and audio controls. Next, you'll want to check the option that says Always Minimize to System Tray instead of Taskbar. Selecting this ensures that whenever you minimize OBS Studio, it won't simply drop to your taskbar. Instead, it will neatly tuck itself away in the system tray area, keeping your taskbar free for other programs that you need quick access to. There's one additional setting in this area you might find useful: minimize to system tray when started. If you check this, OBS will minimize directly to the tray when it launches unless you actively decide to use it straight away. This can be handy for streamers or video makers who want OBS running quietly in the background. With your selections made, click Apply to enact the changes and hit OK to close the settings window. Now, test it out. When you click the Minimize button on OBS, you'll notice it disappears from the taskbar, relocating instead to the small icon cluster by your system clock. If you need to bring OBS back to your active display, just click on its icon in the system tray. This approach not only helps keep your workspace tidy by reducing taskbar clutter, but also allows you quick access to OBS without needing to fish through open windows. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.